to Mr. Busitano, and I wrote open letter to him and the president.
Okay.
There, they implement 24-hour economy. I mean, NPP only the worry. It's a very fantastic from the document, other policy. Then to bana seben in phases, region by region, first 4 regions. Let's do it. When we succeed, then we can roll it over to the next 4 regions. Within 16 years, we would have covered the whole country with proper policy implementation. I'm talking about in terms of 24-hour economy. We'll expand the production base of the economy. We can then export more. We can now reduce import. You see, this is how economy is built. Now, if it's only looking at it from negative lenses, I don't think that I say Erica Kwabena Kofi Yedin Common Kofi say or video be our Bawumia per se. Into the press video ready our Daroma Bawumia and Henry.
Ghana Statistical Services, over 1 million Ghanaians have found employment between Q1 and Q3 of 2025.
A few moments later.
Between the first and third quarters, employment increased by over 330,000 people.
If you lie, you will not go to heaven.
Where your video and Nakufi can say board say Ghana Statistical Service when you done say first to third quarter of the year employment it's about 330,000 and my peninsula enra or can say state of the nation address or say according to Ghana Statistical Service employment they call 1 million and then Nakufi person ochire say the my penny kan and Ghana Statistical Service peninsula kan and so you will see this video.
My Sunday are my Prince on Fantu TV no so sisia. Sir. Prince, they are send them on.
Prince already Fantu TV. Okay. And that's all.
Na on Zoom we quarterly labor force statistics from Ghana Statistical Service. Mani zooming ko baby am mark no.
Labor force. What has that got to do then?
What has what?
What has that got to do?
This document is from Ghana Statistical Service. Quarterly labor force reporter omo release. Zoom my baby econo.
Owusu miemi aso. Eric minya bi aka mepe cause baby am send them out. Na ye hwe. Okay. They say the Zoom into
okay 2025 my main share from MF. Okay. I think my site is different from. Osha de was zooming 1.1 million figure no more can. Second line.
Second line.
Yes. Third quarter 2025 no. Figure no. NDC for na dey buy.
1.9.
Check the last one. The second one. First one for the third quarter of 2025.
First one 1.2.
Or more document no more dey buy.
1.2.
And a second one here then.
1.1.
Into figure ben a president quote here.
You tell us which of them are
say the president cited 1.1 million or more labor force document or mankasa de babo.
But labor force is, you see, labor
force labor force president I can't it. Oh.
Don't confuse it. The president said jobs created or jobs. Okay,
document in the buy. A quarterly be almost salmon up no more aba. And a president has cited or Owusu no. And no not done problem amamo chan debia. But the issue is and they don't believe in data anymore. That is the quotation of the day. And after sooner, no say uti nkomo ano mu dia almost me emfa data and cancer near data afenya start with parliament okay na ye penso omo penso no mo die kebab and no Kojo upon kroma kujina mo sister station okasa or say we shouldn't talk about data, we should go to the market nti omo wa be mu no omo nkojom and they are running down state institutions a legitimate business. You were using their indicators, their figures in analyze your data when you were in power. And then the same institutions in the figures about trouble and I must say we shouldn't base on them. You see, Ghana for any day council, I mention money no pay. Yeni ano NPP for say no musubantie. Samobe kaya. Alhaji Bawumia be vice president edi first no. One na nado. So amre no mo so a data man. Nti omuku key figures ana omo de aba na omo de abetum. But today they are telling us say your state institutions are ye gi omudi ene ye de measure ye no kra no. Omo the figures ba bonten ye no kra. Asem sebe let me respond to tariff issue na answer my way. Okay. Who say me yenuanum we no ya na omo ho ye misre. Ma me read report mu. Wo ko fact check Ghana obenya wa hosisi. O say early May 2023 the executive board of the International Monetary Fund IMF approved a 3 billion 3-year loan program for Ghana, allowing for immediate disbursement of about 600 million and a potential path out of the country economic crisis. Number conditionalities normal list my enubia. I say Ejawuti me pa, my first one. Lady Kai, I say Ghana, we should enact legislation and or executive order necessary to achieve 2023 physical objective, because that need a mess up economy no. So they were rather directing us. Say yen tintimumra ebema reckless sikadie na na ekoso through the administration no. The second point.
That's 2023.
Yes, the second point. Another requirement was Ghana to implement upfront electricity tariff adjustment of at least 29%. Uti me pa. Enti eno no ye tire even upfront electricity tariff adjustment. Ena me nu ina na akusuku ye krache me ye krache. O betena ha ka kire me se o Ghana your current situation with energy sector adjustment na kire se ye nteso. Is that what he's telling me?
What's adjustment?
There be me say.
Me ni nyina ho anase.
There be me see ye nyina ye krache for me nua no. Me ne fine pa. Eno hwe Ghana ye energy crisis na ya na ye wo me bi atwa mu na. Say IMF ni NPP for share wopono ho. E ka say yen adjust upfront adjustment na kire say yen teso. Oh, I don't know kind of cresa. Aja, you wrote this in the policy document. Now handing over no one for document we na Obi abo besia wa komi krom suma rural bank akwaje besia. Yesi sika na ye de ma no eja ye ma obi a joda bia okọ sampadwam kodi dwa wo so obetu susu wan Ghana mebo
yeah
ni aka chiro yes bosumi bia asoso a obetu 1000 Ghana bom wantimi anya shanhye se na pam na e wo ne bank ne ntem wo eden wabuso etimi ba se sika no kra ye ba ne bi nyeden e bi mabiem. That is what you left your reckless administration then, and you are telling us today say the abano electricity tariff work osro na modie monte the aka. Ebiem, third point, was it the IMF also required that all central government expenditure be integrated into the budget planning and accounting system. Give me some of the institutions in the country, even more payment structure no crown, and you're part of the give me. Since you say leakages, but this were also part of the recommendations they gave. So where from this hypocrisy this morning say tariff adjustment, you know, a brofo, utimi ni say a trailex. More question more the trailex and coffee. Ya munya sa hypocrisy no. Na men say me chikura mark o topic na so. Enra Mampeni His Excellency John Dramani Mahama ene Ghana for di nkomo, which is constitutional mandate say obetena konwa so a mra no bia no oman no bobre ne bebi oman ne dru no obekomra hye bedwafie na wakwa akobo Ghana for nyina amane say aha no oman ne dru. And I don't forget, a Ghana for year fi say, baby a baby fair Ghana my Eddie free no, the door na meaning say be mukaipa. Na a your maya a ka amene. Na a your maya yent min pia ya hoka. Na a your maya a hochere adokuru nipa okruma. Nti enne se kwame na afanyoma kinchina mrashe bedwaviga se budget na e kan no wa hu hwiwom. Na kofi mu na abonten say almost go hu hwiwom a hwede mu hu. Because where you left the economy of Ghana ni baby ye dru ne no e nipa na omo ho kire omo sa amre no ne behu. Because by that time no you people were living like Arabian king. Ye ka hwe na muntie a hantani dwe kasa na na moka no kruma. Ye kasa mo se ye ntie obia sikam pedede ehuro kasa samre no mampani Akufo Addo nama na na ekonwa obetena so keke daka ba akum di nachi na so je need front intina ye ka hwe amonte the economy today na president I report the actual amonse monte ase no e de na esi menu pani yakasapa ene ye ka Ghana economy this quarter ya ewo mu yetimi a record growth of 6.1%. Is it not unprecedented? Enye fe baby amuja e free. And secondly, senior ka inflation asem kofi de saboga brochira na watena US ewom so oman bia de ka. But you see this economic indicators no energy I mean who so oman no CP and now see people inflation there was a time ago mo de koya kokodu 54.something%. Adena mu rule we are seeing na. There's a government in place today. Inflation is around 3.8%. You are telling us say no economic indicators in yendi yemfa nyehwe. Primary balance. Eja ye ho the person chere ne say Ghana yetimi boy ho bra kra wa bra yenko adwaman so enkonko deka. Yenya surplus of 2.6%. And you are telling us today say unhu hwe. What do you want to see again? Ebiem your debt to GDP and number 45%. And also Monteshe. All the international agencies or rate economies ammonia confidence in the international market no. Moody's, Fitch, and S&P's in the can will be a rate Ghana the ecosro. More pencil or more the Ghana ba form to say the car see on year to 2 times every as any baby akọ. Eja won say nipa otimi bob sia drum rebia na ohwan ye bank creation. So there was a time in this country. Na se Ghana ye de ekọ adwaman so say ye kopa besia bebo ye bra. Omo se ye ho nya akono ye ne kwan se ye bo besia.
They said ye body ye metuai.
Ye metuai. Because the ekofa DDEP ne sa na e nyina ba e ka na me ne yo. Ye bo besia do some stage bia na e wo se ye tua boso besia ya bo na ye ntimi ntua. One net on busa. We see so. O ko be 40 years and we twam o ye menu penny. Ghana ba kwasemi na what DDEP brofo no go kromada. Papa penny mutimi di 70 80 years. Or the nisika akoto government bonds. O se patapa asem ntima kate no. Enene de yeye wa ban mu bia anya mofe. But we believe strongly say yenka say all is well with every Ghanaian. But ye ba metie mu no the was a yema Ghana for one tom no eja yeden ye senior sign kan Petro fan obo eja me kai emi bi atwam o kai me kana na me use Nissan Pajero no me kai engine yes Mr Bushi no me kai engine na 3.5 engine capacity one say super na me kai say de car no ma me earlier no na me to fuel more than 800 Ghana cedis na yema. It got to a time under your reckless administration. Na me to fuel almost 1,900. And so me afele me tank. Who team the American pa? Nya me nko na me use saka na bi Ghana. Different people and they use it. And now me know cause a liter of fuel na yeto ne sen. A liter of petrol sen. And you think the reasonable minds in the country, nipa no ko filling station no the 2,000 filling a car and then or the be 1,400 and the filling no. I can say 600 na ko ne bottom no. Unya some faso wo. Is that what you are telling me? Ma me na odidwa. Ya na okofa niema so de ba be didwa ne niema no boaye denden dia no ntimintua asentuade boy na akofo mama no because fan wo bo akofo. Enti otimine driver ni negotiate well no. What's your no who? Yes, I'm your teacher on my and you me a dear back one or Moonsie and Simon one and say, Moko position and Chebio. Utime. And the scars now Muja or Ghana for and koi. The pain, see the pain.
That's what I say with Omuja Hokoi. Ghana for Afi say, Omonu, some to Abaman de Bamo. Ghana for Afi, maybe Ghana for Afi inflation double 23%. Is that what they are telling us? Ghana for Afi say inflation maybe a Tremuko 54%. Ghana for Afi say Ghana for Afi say fan obo a liter to me could do by 17. Okay, Ghana for Afi say hey, what are they telling us? Or they think say Ghana for no okay, you see always
Yeah, no more NPP for now any patch and Ghana for Nina. That is how they think. If had it not be that, do you even have ground? Say at this particular point in time, they were near Mercury. What as a Ghana for Afro? Ghana for Afro say I'm found. Na sign for e-levy bra. Yet your man muha. Mobile phone ye kuta ye say person living in a cashless society. Kofi Busa not American. How many times no call bank ko yisika? There be okuta na card and na phone. Or your transaction ni free so. Me na na kosi atwe na wote suma henkro. Me na 90 years. Na abrewa boso me so se me sandi ne bibi ma na to edura no ma. Na Alhaji Bawumia agina kwam se mateme de. O Kwaku yi Annan na so gina se mateme de. Eno na Ghana for afio no. Ghana for afio. Say yare bi by a friend COVID-19 be kum nipa, e kum amambi so president. E kum judges, e kum medical doctors. Yare na ba ye no wo abro ni ba yi into the yare na dane to etu nipa so si entua. Yare just imagine say yare akum period na utua ho to. What do reckless leadership? And then you are telling me say Ghana for afisa ade no. Say yare na akum obi papa na osan ma ni tua ho to ma wa aban no. Yen san fa omra Ghana for afisa to no. Ebiem betting tax. I don't support betting. But it got to a time you say unemployment the way I can know it. A lot of your youth, you know, let's be frank, a whole of chop money different. A banker saw the betting tax, but a whole lot of agitation they buy into the system. And you share Ghana for boss you buy a BG. And they all catch us and na betting or muchano. Say one or mafia. Into yen sign formula na for betting tax in the bra. Is that what you are telling us? Okay, emission levy. Omanko pass on law. And now the country say a mystery to an anchor obejeno. Ghana for Afro. Yeah, more imagine mystery. But Eric, what are they telling us? In some who do be a mock. In some who do be. But could be chroma, my main friend, and you say a topic in Hopa. Also give to Bawumia what belongs to Bawumia. Says are good for reserve. And check on because Bawumia and the good bag Ghana. Say reserve. Me say. No, I only initiate. Leave them. Omo campaign and other no nikruma. Mo money credit. So yes. Omo campaign and other no nikruma. Ah. At the papa be a waben na hwan na se na ye nanado. And at the enye bia na according to omo campaign na ye Bawumia. And then all of a sudden, you are to Abanari, so they've transformed the fire into say, I did be a warm Bawumia Nanado Bawumia. Is that what they are telling you? Meba, granted. Say Bawumia initiative plan or the buyer or the Bama Nebusian for an NPP. Granted. And that is not the case. Granted. What are they telling us? Inflation and American was Bawumia at the buyer. Yes, sir. 54%. No. Fang obono so on the buy e-levy Bawumia nyo on the buy ye ka e-levy the yes da kwatena cabinet Alhaji and supported that okay sansem na no mo kan COVID levies Alhaji Bawumia kro na netu na adom fo se yemfamra yare na aba na yenye ho to opani usisi baba so yare ba kuruma ye ne na sa aban bi de je to a e na nka de HIV ba ne penso eno so de je to and the malaria ban ne penso the malaria jeto anka yare hokruma yemfani nyina nyeto. Such reckless administration, they have the guts telling us that we are not performing. And let me tell them this morning, your interest in reasonable minds in the country, we have to satisfy them. Ghana for one no more benefited from us on 170 acre. Go to the importers. And Ranajo, Michia or Penny or Christian village baby. Or say Eric, me de minya she wa ma ban penso se me crackers na e bana mi ko yimpa na me ho atome. And say nipa na ohwe me anopai no. Wo se wo penso car ko yi na otua be 300,000. Yeah ne otua be 180,000. No na e better chain. Is that what you're telling me? Masa governance no bi anka se obetimi aye de ye ni nyina atego. But I thought that we should be frank to certain issues. Okay. The issue of cocoa politics oh cocoa nana me betena haka say so more alternative formula bia said the current state of cocoa net here international markets e wo ba bia na Mary keji I said it here because formula the calculate price and sign no one how the be calculate. And this one discover formula bi aye hu ya nkomo famra enra hwede si mra hye bedwafie ai parliamentarians na graduating into cocoa farms and obi akwati cocoa
chane ay display
omo display then omo display then this incompetent leadership o kai omo te akonwa so no cocoa bonus kra no e got to a time na omo tua omo di cocoa ko parliament uni na cocoa fertilizer kra na e wo se yedi makuya free na omo nche omo di cocoa ko parliament somewhere 2022 2021 uni na oti sese hwiye so omo ko sie cocoa fertilizer abro ni bayenti fertilizer na yedi be makuya fo na bu cocoa no so amana so ndo so no omo se ya twere ho not for sale o ka se yedi ma omo free omo beto so instead so omo beche no omo se akuya fo ni ton 80 Ghana cedis. You remember this story? Akuya fo na ntinya nton no ma fertilizer ni gu wa ma ne proye ekoku sie fertilizer was a hwiye so e no wan fa cocoa pod anko parliament say ne adwamanso cocoa bo aba fo muntu wodwa watiku apai oba ye no measures ben no digu akwan mu cocoa farmers. What did you do? Say, oh, yeah, born to ano NDC forecast say ba be cocoa akuya for 6,500. Yes, we said it. We said it because of the world market price then. We said it because of exchange rate differentials then. Not the 15.05 50 na calculation. And that saying international price at time no na cocoa ni eto ne saying. What are you talking about? And the Kwabicos, who they me crew many omo na share border. The same situation. Cocoa na kadem yento. Me no kasa sisi unim say even cash you. Unim say price na drop. Go to my village. Nti eno no sa no ne aka say cash you akuya for no mo price na drop no. E wo say aban ko bobosia na de pagya bo no. Ye wi ana aka kiro say na omo do mo so omo say omo bo na ba form no. Eno so aban ko bobosia no mfa nhye mo bo ne nkosoro. Is that what they are telling us? All sectors, agri sector, because look at the food inflation. Senior Kai, there was a time in this country, you're planting for food and jobs. You're made your near we are say railing for life and one that to be bring a bar by Kanya Binum. But it got to a time, you're per body dear, just are buying high container crab or deal, not the BC Medina market, into Sunyani on your body and turn for bus. No about the top body. Look at that logic. And they are here telling us today, as if what they came to do in this country was superb. Is that what they are telling us?
All right.
You best say Ghana cocoa for. Let me repeat it again.
Okay.
The na nya boapaye. Mampeni mahama onye nipa bone for. So obeye ade be ma cocoa for ho akire omo. Eye bibi e na ate bayra homam e na ama bayra anye den ama akese. Na ye hye omo bo say reforms na ye di begu ho no. Ye kwa akoye reforms a ebema koku adwuma no so ayede abamfa so na mre bia no ebo no kosoro de akuani ni deserve no na ye de ama no eja me ne o ka say yes abatwem ko NPP for kan ho ye nyina kan ho ugiri sese create buffer bi to home koku workers koku border nke na ba critical na ye mfa yen san kobom they said the money or heritage fund no and ye bia o koku stabilization fund and e da ho and e mre bia tibitum mre bia tibitum. Crisis be about you can dip your hands into it and support, but there's be anywhere to say. Okay. And aside everything, cocoa farmers, no, I know, and near me also or mine no more they also enjoy. Me free me krumba last week Monday. Again, me krum 75 cedis. Me a board member, Owusu Bank. The last board meeting I call you know. Can you believe, sir? 50% of bank and your customer base na omo nyina cocoa farmers. So if problem na abano say your problem cocoa farmers banking institution Bank of Ghana they about to increase your share capital high because they are our customers. But we all know the challenges. Enya dey bi as a mampeni mahana import problem dey aba and no answer or sense solve problem. That is not the case. Okay. So to the farmers we are sorry for the price reduction but it is not intentional.
Okay. Me that's it. Kofi, asamba kwa waha mo kan maybe Serika or say give to Bawumia what
me baso
me pese
me pa me
baso na monyina so a modi gina so eni afiri market na kan asasem no na nura so afiri market kan se bi say slogans no adros man pedi ba ni slogans nko a na oba ma ye no so ye be hwede edun ko na dia potin na sa gold for reserve no Mostly one credit Dr. Bawumia.
May sound very quickly.
Me patrol, you see, me check time, no.
I know you're very important question. Me person me qualify name and kitting.
Me more time now. No, it's more 10 minutes.
Edi can send you producer evidence from Ghana Statistical Service or more official Facebook post to make sure say any screenshot keke na ma send no. Me send a link direct from Ghana Statistical Service or more edema o producer.
Okay.
Na adansidie ni nyina wo. Okwa December 5th. Sorry, December 18th, 2025. Ghana Statistical Service or say that mean part anyway the other one or say between quarter 1 and quarter 3 of 2025 employment in Ghana increased by over 330,000 people. Asema okaino 330,000 people. Ghana Statistical Service undisputed. And a year, but
you say friendly something you are doing. So I want to be on the basis of that. Let's interrogate what you just said. You said between what?
Quarter 1 and quarter 3.
Employment increased by
330,000.
So see, we are talking about a difference here, right?
What difference?
No, between means a difference. Between two.
Between
what's the quarter saying?
1 to 3. From quarter 1 to 3.
Between quarter 1 and 3.
Yeah, between so I just want to get I just want to make sense of out of what is between quarter 1 and 3 of 2025 employment in Ghana increased by 330,000, right? So quarter 1, what was the employment? That there has to be that it increased to quarter 3 by that number there. You don't understand what I'm saying? There has to be no. So we're talking about a difference. A difference between two or between quarters. Yeah, between quarters. So between. So this one, listen. This one said a cannibal. This one is different from what Eric otchere, because it's here. Also between
quarter 1 and quarter 3.
Yeah. So growth. Talking about growth, the growth was 3,000 or 330,000, right?
Okay.
So it means listen. It means there was a figure.
Yes.
Do you get the point? But there was between the first figure and the the difference not obeying is this one. That's the meaning.
Okay. It's a figure.
Yes, that's the meaning.
I mean, right now it's getting over. It's getting ridiculous. It's getting
I'm taking your time to talk. You're not complaining.
It's getting too ridiculous.
And between quarter 1 and quarter 3, no.
So
increment.
Trust me. Neither here nor there.
Okay, you are here.
Neither here nor there.
Don't allow pain and bitterness to eat you out. I mean,
they say when you're opposition. The facts are clear. The facts are clear.
Put the English there again.
The facts are clear. The facts are clear.
Now,
Eja, Minia say, yeah, buying bonnet, yeah, taxi area. Doesn't even make sense. On my a dear na yen for tax NA can be them. One more or more yari or moko hospital. Yanyu or Muntiaka. So yari now call hospital Untiaka. And you're my hospital. And now on my home bra ye bono.
At 20 a day.
At 20 a day.
Ye can yari at 4.
Beba, at 20 a day. And I was say yeah COVID tax. Now ye humobro. So when you pa boni ni an ka wo ba ye no. Ah now see agent no. Ka the first day now cancel ye. So ba ye please let me talk. Let me talk. Wo ba ye no. We see why you taxes. Oh Eric. Wo bet na ha no. Look at in somewhere wo kan.
Akumamra form.
E go nipa ho fin. Wo ya be ka tell say my akumamra form.
Akumamra sorry.
Wo wa jisika no for 1 year. Wa jisa yare tax no wa je. You know they collected COVID tax for a whole year. So bet in the ultimate yifi. Sir, we see the other one emission. E-levy ultimate yifi. By the way, there was nothing like emission taxes abang energy. It was 0 rated. Abang bien or G emission tax. There is a law. Emission tax. Emission tax. That's it. In fact, no for years, but we never until 0 rated, meaning nothing was charged. Okay. Until Obi Mekase. But the point is, we e-levy free, we betting free. But you read the end of the OJ for 1 year. 2 who more bro him. O conscience wa him. Who Eric now bet now and now why who diablo ni no. O conscience wa him fa. You have none. Because you read the OJ. Don't come and sit here and preach conscience. You have none. Now, Eja, ye koso no. Ye to so biu.
Na e-levy no.
Oh, make an e-levy pa, don't worry.
Make I onye some.
Kofi kan e-levy. Importers who answer my oka. Say import. Eja uni hana for Abuso kind for now last 2 weeks. No, who say 20% tax at all spare passes. Now here. What's the one Abuso kind for one tomo? Importers for one tomo. And so last 2 weeks they were demonstrating so the 20% tax.
No, Abuso kind for before then, no. And 20% tax in my no. And then almost some year excess dollar and bar for because me na many good for the go be almost say because of dollar rate in Sanema was Abuso can for some more canon. It's a dollar rate na
from it's
the point I am making is say
me kruma boso kan we
so obi say benefit aba no one pass it on and na no in fact unima dey interesting trade minister any members of parliament of NDC say traders entity niema so na yese niema bo ekofo meboa enu bi na woken nyesa pepepe na woken
because some fact niema so ha adwene nti a omo niema no wosoro no omo say a dollar rate in
yes,
na reason no it's a dollar rate number from there yes it's a maybe sasa
the question is anka ubusa Ghana Statistical Service ni say data ben no mudinya kodru 3.8 because data now mo collecting free traders ho no omo ko adwaman so omo ko dwaman so ko ton niam na bi e na omo de collect data no sa data na wo me no wo complain say yente so but sa data na so na Ghana Statistical Service abeka kire say ya hwan so ama na ba 3.8
consumables no mo ya na say
omo fa basket all can o catch obi say import inflation imported inflation meaning other consumables that are imported in so you have food inflation so they will pick certain food items normal measure and you have overall inflation and now obetima imported inflation but I'm telling you say imported inflation as an example almost say about from the minister is telling us for
who's that?
The trade minister is saying, "Say, Eduardo niema so na niema bi na Johnson kan
imported. My God! But the Kofi, how can you say this? I mean, this is basic economics. You are importing at a certain rate of and that's a rate now before automatically no about effect in Zama.
Asama American, are you listening to me? Now, what the economics are saying? Asama American say your argument is valid. Say, a dollar coffee man, esa niema no eba from because why importing? That argument is valid. And I will see statistical service acquire data approve say ampa niema boy den aba from. But trade minister so abeka kire say eniama ma from na dwa before tete so You see the contradiction. That is the point I'm making to you.
It's a section of
section, no, mama, that section, no, imported one. He just said it.
Yeah. So what
are you saying? That's please, me, here my grandchildren. Move you on back.
Okay.
Now, Jayamra, question I'll be saying. Ghana, up until 2021, not a good year. Yasheda Accra. Edi abe good dem say we dey yen da chinti na ne dodo ni nyina ye 8.7 tons from yemfa ne say you ran kroma breso ebesiri 2021 a good year ne good dem.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.